everybody knows that. Citizens of India knows that. But ultimately, as I said to you, we are here, be it MDA government or be it any government, we are here to make sure that safety of citizens of this